Can Austin juggle?
Okay.
Austin juggle.
Good juggling.
Good juggling. Can you show me? You want Daddy to do it now?
Okay.
Back up just a little bit. Whoa. All right, Austin, do it. Oh, you're gonna juggle all three of them. Good job. Oh, Daddy, do it.
It looks like 4.
All right, Austin, juggle.
Good job.
Good juggle.
Daddy do it.
Daddy, do it.
I can do it.
Austin, do it. Can you show Granddad how you juggle?
Show me how you juggle. Woo! Very good.
Daddy do it.
Can you clap for Austin?
Yay!
Dad, next time juggle with 4.
All right, you got it? Austin, juggle.
Can Austin do it?
Can you juggle all three?
No.
Can you juggle?
Juggle, juggle, juggle.
Daddy do it.
All right.
I can do it.
Oh, good juggling.
Good juggling.
Yay,
Yay,
Austin.
Austin.